Ollie, what are you doing in the kitchen?
I am making a pizza sandwich.
Oh, that sounds yummy. Can I help you?
Yes, please. Can you pass me the knife from the drawer?
Here you go. Be careful, the knife is sharp.
Don't worry, I will cut the tomatoes and onions slowly.
I take out the bread from the cabinet.
Yes, and also bring the plate from the shelf.
Okay. Do you need the rolling pin for the dough?
Yes, please. I kept it on the counter, but I can't find it.
Look, it is near the bowl and the spoon.
Oh, thank you. Can you also give me the pan from the cabinet?
Here it is. Do you need oil?
Yes, pour a little oil with the measuring cup.
I will also switch on the blender for the juice.
Good idea. Let's make some fresh orange juice.
Oops. My head just bumped on the cabinet.
Oh no. Are you okay?
Yes, I'm fine. Next time I will be more careful.
Thank you for helping me. Cooking is fun when we share the work.